Check out this Nissan 2018 Frontier SV Crew Cab pickup. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include value truck package, 2 additional speakers, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio data system, radio, AM/FM CD with auxiliary input, air conditioning and dual-zone automatic air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.